Demystifying Muzzle It, a dive into English phrases. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to explore an intriguing phrase in the English language, muzzle it. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but you'll also know when and how to use it in conversations. Let's dive in. Muzzle it is a phrase derived from the word muzzle. A muzzle is a device that's placed over the snout of an animal, especially dogs, to prevent them from biting or eating. When someone says, muzzle it, they are often using it figuratively to mean 1. Silence or quiet down. It can be used to tell someone to stop talking or making noise. 2. Suppress or control. It might also mean to restrain oneself or someone else from expressing certain emotions, opinions, or actions. Imagine someone is talking too much in a meeting, and another person says, muzzle it. They're essentially saying, be quiet, or stop talking now. To ensure you completely grasp the phrase, let's look at a few examples. 1. I know you're excited about the news, but muzzle it until we finish the presentation. 2. She couldn't contain her laughter, so her friend whispered, muzzle it. 3. Whenever he starts discussing his conspiracy theories, I just wish he'd muzzle it. While the phrase can be handy, it's important to understand that it might come off as rude or insensitive if used in the wrong context. It's always crucial to gauge the situation and the relationship you have with the person you're speaking to. For instance, 1. It might not be polite to say, muzzle it, to a senior colleague or someone you're not close to. 2. Avoid using it in formal settings or situations where decorum is expected. And there we have it. Now you're well equipped with the knowledge of what muzzle it means and how to use it. Remember, while language is a powerful tool, it's always essential to use phrases appropriately to ensure clear and respectful communication. We hope this video has been enlightening, and until next time, happy learning!